Hello everyone, so in this video today I will be teaching guys watching how to basically connect your AirPods to iPhone. So the first and the most important thing to do is to simply go to settings, and then from here search for Bluetooth and then go to that. Then I will be currently forgetting the device I'm currently using to show you or give you guys a tutorial of how to basically connect your AirPods or any other Bluetooth earphone devices to your phone, or meaning your iOS specifically in this demonstration. So simply when you have forgot it, or if there's a new device, simply open or take out your headphones, and you can see that after I have took out my headphones, there's an option of faster FBT 410. Then simply click on them and they will simply ask you to pair, and then uh, your headphones will automatically be connected or in the history of Bluetooth connections of your mobile phone. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how you can easily do it. So that's all from my side. Bye bye.